So now we're going to be looking at installing the software on the drive. First it will prompt you to either agree or disagree to install the software. Just say yes. Next step would be to click next, accept the agreement of course, and say next again. Then choose the destination where you want to put the software. The default is C program files, and that's fine, so just click next. Do not change or add any check marks here, just click next again and click install. As you can see, the installation is progressing, and in a moment we're gonna have the software running. The last step would be to click finish, and then the program will launch. So now Xmind 2013 is running for the first time. The first thing is going to ask you whether you want to choose one of the templates. You can browse through the variety that you have here. You can simply just say from file, new blank map. Okay, the whole concept revolves around trees, and so you have topics and subtopics. So if you'd like to make the central topic, let's say teaching, you're gonna click outside, of course, and then say insert subtopic. Again, note that subtopics can be changed to a variety of shapes. So you can choose organizational charts that are pointing down or up, right, left, logic chart, and so on. Let's try the organization chart down. So if we type in a subtopic, teachers, and then include two more subtopics, of course, insert subtopic, okay, and then insert another subtopic. Now note that if I want to add a subtopic to teachers, I'm gonna have to click teachers first, and then right click it, and then say insert subtopic. Okay, so now we have 3 subtopics under teachers, and what we're gonna do now is modify the text underneath by double clicking. Okay, so teachers, education, and prep inspiration and aptitude. Now, these are not the only patterns available. There are a range of things you can do here, like relationships, for instance. Outside all the trees that we have created so far, we can just right click here and say relationship. Then we can connect aptitude to teaching, for instance, and then drag this arrow to be a curved one so that we can clearly show that aptitude has to do with teaching. And again, we can type in the type of relationship that exists between those two traits or functions by saying aptitude essential. You can go on experimenting with the range of things, but I believe it's quite an easy software to navigate. The last thing you want to do is save your mind map. You can do that either by going to File and saying Save As, or you can simply click the disk button here which says Save. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to choose the desktop to save my mind map to. Click Save. Voila. So if we close the software now, we can directly go to the desktop and look at the file we've created. As you can see, it's got the red X for Xmind, and I named it teaching. So if we click that, it opens in the software that we just installed, and we can manipulate it in a number of ways, like modify it, delete things, and so on. That's all.